Hello, that is a video about course GradeBook setup. GradeBook is where Moodle collects and keeps all scores for grading graded items from different assessment tasks, from different activities. And a grade category has its own aggregated grade, which is calculated from its grade. On-site Moodle for Teaching, we created our courses and my course Mathematical Methods, Unit 3 and 4. That is main information about this course. On left-hand side, we have course administration and site administration. In site administration, we have grades, whereas general settings. And these general settings we can't change because it will affect all courses on this site. We just can see what is set up by default and how it is set up. There is a lot of different options and settings, and we can actually just play with this one, but we can't save. On grade item settings, we can see that each grade will be a real number. Number of decimal points is 2, and we will be using scale. On scales, we can see 3 different scales, and that is Nelly's scale, and some of them, some items we will be using in our grades. On our courses, we come back now to our course. Oops, my courses, and course administration. And I found now my course. And on course administration, that is my course, that is participants of my course. And now course administration, editing on. And on course administration, we have GradeBook setup. That is list of different activities which we will assess during your course. And now we have to just assume that we already set up this course, and on this course you have all these activities which must be assessed. All these grades or marks were allocated when we set up our assessment task or assignments, and now we have to adjust all of them, and they have to add to 100. We just go edit settings, and that is grade category which we have to change 100. Save. And now all these marks or grades must add to 100. What else we can add category, for example, and let's outcome 1, and we can choose just minimum grades. Minimum type, can play with different options. Minimum grade, let's say this one 10, and grade to pass also 10. Save changes. and this one outcome 1, and for outcome 1 we can add grade item. Let's say item 1 value maximum 10 and grade pass we can set up, and weight, what will be weight? Let's say 10%. Save changes. And now we have another category, outcome 1, and consistent one item. Let's add one item more. Let's see, item 2. Maximum grade 10. And weight, let's say 10. Now we can see that outcome 1 consists from 2 items. Also, we can move. Let's assume that we need to add to outcome 1 some grades from test. Test yourself. Put a some assignment. Now I am going to move and add to outcome 1. I will move it here after second item. Now we can see that outcome 1 will consist from item 1, item 2, and test yourself. Save changes. And test yourself assignment, I need to edit. And let's give, for example, weight will be also 10. Now we can see that the course total 100%, and I would like to change now for assignment revision of radians and unit circle, and I will go to this assignment. I come back to main page of this course and find topic circular functions, and this one, this assignment revision and radians. That is for submission. Okay, go back. No one submitted this assignment, and we just edit settings of this assignment. Just scroll down and find grade. Now we can see that grade is scale, and I use nearly scale. Maximum grade 6. And here how do we grade? We will use just point. And now we can adjust maximum grade to 10 and see how it will appear in our gradebook. Back to course administration and gradebook setup, and see how it affects this item. That is maximum grade. Oops. And weight to 10. And we see that all weights have been adjusted to 100%. And in accordance with curriculum requirements, I would like to move transformations with my matrices to outcome 1, and it will be in outcome 1 after item 2. Now scroll down and have a look. This category outcome 1 consists from item 1, item 2, and 2 another assignments, transformation with matrices and test yourself. Here once again we can adjust all of them, for example, to 30%, and total of course always must be 100%. Save changes, and that is final picture if we finished designing our course, and we know that is what is included in assessment tasks. All these assessment tasks for your course is here, and you can adjust the gradebook in accordance with requirements. Also, we can adjust letters. If, for example, your assessment will consist from letters A, B, C, D, and so on, percentage which you allocate for each letter can be adjusted. Just edit grade letters. That is from manager side. Just on a second, click to continue. And course administration. And continue with gradebook setup. And letters. Create items. Okay. And we have also access for preferences to grade the report, and we can see different options which we can change and try and see how it affects grade the report. Usually school assessment tasks also contribute specific percentage to course, and for this item we can create another grade category, for example, and using the same grade book. So that is finally how it might look, our grade book. Total of course must be always 100%, and if you have 3 outcomes, you will add up to outcome 1, outcome 2, outcome 3, add items, and all together of these outcomes also must add to 100. That's it.